guys, and welcome to Jazz Journey. Today is day number 8 of 10 days of love. We're almost finishing this series, and today the theme is pink and red eyes. I just wanted to kind of like recreate a makeup look without any falsies, using those two colors, going with the theme of the Valentine's, and that's why this look is basically pink and red colors. And I just started with a very affordable palette. I really like this palette, and I like that all the colors that I really need, especially pink and red, are here. And you will see that I use the Admire. I used the Admire to warm up my eyes. Then I went with Jealousy, Seduction, Lust. Those are the colors that I use the most to kind of like just use the matte shades in this palette. And I wanted to use more of the bling and the shimmer from the Fenty Beauty palette, since all of the shades here are shimmer. So I wanted to focus on the matte and kind of like working with that. And then once I did that, then I used the Fenty Beauty palette. And for the inside, once I applied the concealer to kind of like create kind of like a cut crease, clean up the eyelids, since you know, blending the colors, I could be a little bit too dark. I want to make sure that the shimmers do come through. And from this palette I use this pink here and this pink here, and then this one for the brow bone. And this one is called Mars on Fire, and the other one is Meteor Crush, I believe is the color here. And I'm gonna use my finger because I did use a brush, but I'm gonna use my finger to put a little bit more in from the Meteor Crush, to see if it does make a difference using your finger. But I love the sparkle from this palette. And then I'm gonna go back with this one, which this one is Mars on Fire, which is what I have in the outer, more like in the middle, the center of the eyelid. Before, I used to like to stay with neutral colors. I like just the soft beige and soft browns and maybe a touch of orange, but I feel like this was a way to make myself come out more of my comfort zone and use a little bit more red. Because pink, I feel like I do use pink in some of my looks. I really like how pink looks, but using more red, it was like a punch in there of a darker color. And that was the reason why I picked those two colors together to do this collab. And this is what I did. I really like how much it sparkles and it looks really nice. And I'm really impressed with this mascara, which is the one that I'm wearing right now. It does smell pretty nice. It does say that it has coconut extract. I don't think, sometimes when I'm applying it, I can say it smells 100% coconut to me, but it does have a nice tropical scent to it. And I love how it does. It is easy for you to apply it. It's not messy, and I do like how it smells. And I like that I was able to recreate a makeup look without making it without needing to wear falsies. So this mascara I really like, and I love the packaging. It feels so light. So I think this is one that maybe I will get another one and have it on my purse, because I'm liking this mascara. So what did I do? I just started warming up the eyes. And the fun thing about makeup is when you have a brush like this one that picks up a lot of the product and you're starting to recreate the crease, you can make it as intense as you like or as light as you want it. And even though it does look like it's a lot at first, but once you use the blending brush, it just blends it nicely. It blends it so nicely, and it makes it softer. So when you see that you, with the pointy brush, you picked up some product, but once you start blending it, it makes it softer and softer. So that once you blend it, then you could go back in and apply another layer of that color that you want. In this case, we were focusing more on the browns, but then we went with the red. And you just keep going adding and adding it, and once you blend it, you will see that it's making it softer and softer. Then I kept adding more, and then instead of using that pointy brush, I just kept going back with that blending brush, picking up more of that Lust color, the red one, and then applying more in the crease until I feel satisfied. Because remember, once you're gonna put the concealer, it's kind of like gonna dim down the shade, especially in your lid, and only a little bit's gonna come through. So it's okay if you keep packing it up so the reds do come out and burst a little bit more. Pointy brush, and I picked up some of that matte shade, the Lust color, and I started working myself almost all the way in until I reach the desired color that I want. Sometimes I don't put so much on the bottom, but this time I kind of like wanted to show a little bit more, and that's how I completed this look. Finish off the look. The lipstick that I'm wearing is this one right here. This is from Revlon, and I really like this one because it does say it's a matte lipstick. It doesn't look so much matte at first, but then it starts drying out a little bit, and I like that it's long wear. And I really like the shade, even though I'm not a red, bright color type of lipstick girl. But this one I do like, and it's called HD Love Amore. And it is a very pretty lipstick, and that's why I love the collab, because visiting each channel, you'll be able to pick up some ideas and recreate the makeup look that you're going for. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on this day number 8, and I thank you for your support, for being with me since day 1, and for your comments, your support. And I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you're getting ready and prepared to recreate your own take on a makeup look using maybe reds and pink on or maybe if you are gonna go out for Valentine's. So I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it and see how I recreated this look with these two palettes. And I hope you really liked and got to see how this one is working out for me, the Maybelline New Mascara, and also this lipstick. If you have seen it in the drugstore, they want to pick it up, how it looks like. And I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, and also give support to the ladies that are participating on this collab. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that there's only 2 more days left on this 10 days of love to complete this series, so I hope you don't miss it and continue giving me your support, and for that I thank you. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.